We are here today because of the grace of God in a try Frisch's Big Boy here in Ohio. Right now, we're gonna try the onion rings. Let's try them just like how they are. Pretty nice and hot. Let me get a little piece. Let me get a little fry. A little fry? I kind of think that'll taste good.
Like they know.
It's soft. I got clean. Pancakes. Pour the syrup on it. Take that down a little bit. We'll put the butter on there. And the butter's nice and melted, just how I like it. We got the butter on the fork already. Wow. 8.9. Sorry, I rated it way wrong. My apologies. Oh my gosh, have you tried this before? 'Cause this is what I'm talking about.